Hello, friends and followers. Central Electronics 100V transmitter. Here's the diode module for the balanced modulator. I'm thinking this is a balanced modulator. Anyway, these are old germanium diodes in here, and I checked them out with my meter. Another fellow had said on a blog that his were not really within spec as far as the conductivity on these was different, and on mine I found that two of these do work. Two of them don't work at all. They seem open, and the conductivity of what I have isn't too good. So I'm going to replace these, I think, with Schottky diodes from my Chicom Bojack diode kit and see how it goes. I probably shouldn't seal this thing back up again. This was difficult to get open, by the way. I'm not sure how to adjust that slug. I guess I'll just leave this thing open and insert it lightly. Looks like the bottom pins in this thing are pretty crummy too. But that's how it is. Yeah, it's got some crud on there, doesn't it? Guess I'll solder in some new diodes and see if that'll make this thing go. I couldn't really null the carrier on this thing, and I did find that you need to have the 8 megahertz crystal running. So for this thing to work at all, the 8 megahertz crystal has to be running. This oscillator has to be running. This oscillator here is a little flaky, but once that oscillator is running, you can do the null thing on this and try to null it out and see if you can get, let's see, which one of these is null. It has a spring loaded on it. This one, yeah, this one's null. So you can do the null and then check it out for a dB reading on your carrier suppression. So yeah, without the 8 megahertz oscillator running, you won't see any null at all. You'll see nothing. The meter will be dead. So that's what I found out with this guy so far, this transmitter. Gonna try and rebuild this and see if I can get a good null out of it. I still gotta fix the 8 megahertz oscillator for dependability. It won't fire up unless you kind of touch the tank coil with a probe and then it fires up. So I gotta fix that. But I figured, well, I might as well dig into this problem and see if I can make it null. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And here's another look at what's inside this little guy here. Guy, gal, whatever it is. It's not a zygote, I know that. Anyway, that's what I'm looking at. So gonna fix this. Thanks for watching. Gonna try and find 4 diodes. Have a great day.